The Paychex June Small Business Employment Watch has been released, and it shows some signs of a tightening labor market. Joining us right now is Paychex CEO Marty Mucci. Marty, what can you tell us overall from this report?
Yeah, Becky, this month we had a little bit of a drop-off, and we've been pretty consistent for the first 5 months of the year, but a little drop-off. Now, 1 month doesn't make a trend, but we saw a drop-off in small business job hiring across the U.S., to all regions. South is still the strongest, and really across all sectors as well.
South is the strongest in terms of employment report, but if you're looking at wage growth, it's really the West that's doing a little better, correct?
Yeah, it is. The West has the highest wage growth, and basically I think there's more minimum wage changes there. You're seeing that the overall wage paid is lower in the South. The South also has more employees. You know, as you see the migration to the South, it's Tennessee, Texas, Georgia that are the strongest states showing the best small business job growth right now.
Marty, just to be clear, we're still seeing growth. It's just things are slowing down a little. What do you think is causing that?
Yeah, definitely. That's exactly what we're seeing. Still growth, but slowing down. And again, it's the 1 month because we've seen it pretty consistent for the early part of the year. But I think small businesses in this tight labor market are still having a hard time finding employees. There's only so many out there, and small businesses don't have the flexibility of the hours, the technology, and sometimes the recruiting power that larger companies have. And that's definitely being felt. It's harder for them to attract and retain the workers than it is for larger businesses right now.
What sectors have struggled the most?
Yeah, we're seeing leisure and hospitality drop off a bit. You know, I think that's impacted by minimum wage increases. There's been a number of minimum wage changes in states, and I think that's dropped off on the leisure and hospitality. So they're not hiring as many people for some of these summer jobs. They're trying to get more hours worked out of them. You're also seeing retail down. So trade and transportation and retail is part of that. That has dropped off over the last year as well, certainly. And I think we all know retail in the big stores have dropped off. Some we've seen that, and that definitely is impacting it as well. And manufacturing is certainly down over last year.